Hi guys, and welcome to Art with Miss Zoe. I'm your host, Miss Zoe. Today we're going to learn about texture in art. We are going to use textured foam rollers to create interesting patterns on our artwork. You may be wondering, what is texture? Texture is how items in our art composition might feel if they were touched. And this can be real or an illusion. For example, I have pictures of different textures, but if you reached out and touched the screen, you would not be able to feel them. It would just feel like a screen. So it is the illusion of a texture rather than actual texture. Art can also have real texture, but I can't really give you an example of that without being in the room with you. Now that we understand a little more about texture, let's dive into today's art activity. For today's art activity, you will need canvas, paint, and paint rollers. You'll also need something to roll your paint in, whether that is a paper plate or I have these handy little paint rolling trays. I'm going to start off by painting the background of my canvas so that I have something for my texture to go over. I'm going to do white on the bottom and black on top and blend them together. So you can see I'm using this back and forth motion to blend the black and the white together to create a gradient. And hopefully you remember that term from our lesson on value. But if not, you can see that I'm going from dark to light, and that is a gradient. Now that my gradient is done, I'm going to use a heat gun to hurry up and dry this so that I can show you guys the next step. You also have the option to just sit and wait. Your paint shouldn't take very long to dry. My paint is dry, and now I'm going to roll on my first texture. I've chosen 3 colors. I've chosen a dark purple, a light purple, and a pink. I'm going to roll my paint roller in my dark purple first, and you can see I have a checkered pattern on this one. And I'm going to roll that on the canvas in a few different directions. Next, I'm going to use my light purple, and you can see I have a zigzag pattern on this one. And so now I'm going to roll that onto my canvas. And last but not least, I have my pink roller, and my pink roller has a pattern of flowers on it. So I'm going to roll that pink on, and again, I'm going to use a few different directions. And now I've added texture in the form of pattern on my canvas. Pretty cool, right? I hope you enjoyed this activity. Thanks for watching, and keep making.